Want to use the speed tool in Videoleap application? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to do so. Let's get started. First, open the application. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom. Tap on New Project. Now select the video that you want to speed up. Tap on Add to Project. There are many tools at the bottom that you can use to edit the video. Tap on the video itself, then you will get more editing options. Swipe to the right. Tap on Speed. Now use the scroller to increase or decrease the speed. After you're satisfied, tap on Export at the top right to save the edit. And that is how to speed up videos in Videoleap. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.